everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Romany. If you're new here, hello, welcome. So today we are doing our 1 month one palette look. So that is every day for the whole month. I will be doing a new look with the same palette. So I have chosen the James Charles and Morphe palette. So this is officially day 2, even though it is the 3rd that I'm posting it. It is day 2's look. So I'm just pointing out which shades I am using in this look. So those ones were the shades Canvas, Pinkity, Drinkity, Skip, Single, Escape, Sister and Artistry. In this look I'm not going to go through which products I'm using on my face. We're just concentrating on the colours on the eyes. And yesterday, or the first look that I did, was a very simple yellow look, which I will link up above. So I have laid down some concealer and just going in and setting that concealer all over the lid up to the brow bone with the shade Canvas. And next we are going in to the crease with the shade Pinkity Drinkity, which is a real pale pink. You can hardly see that, just slightly. Then Skip is a super bright, very neon, very bright pink. Yeah. So we're just going to pack that onto the outer corner about halfway over the lid, and then once there's not much product left on that brush, I'm just going to buff it into the crease towards that inner corner. So we're just going in, or I'm just going in very lightly, just gently packing it in. So I didn't want it to be too full on. I didn't know how pigmented and how much it would blow out if I put too much on there. So that's the whole point of this one month one palette look. It gives you a good idea of how to use certain colours in the palette, and gives you a real good idea of what the palette is all about. So yeah, we're using every single colour within this palette at some point throughout this month. Some colours obviously will be used more than once, but at least once for each of the colours. So once I've blended that and packed that however much I wanted it to be, I use that original colour again, that Pinkity Drinkity, just to blend out the edges a little bit and will give that smoky pink beautifulness look, a pink eye look. We are going in with Single, so I'm packing the shade Single, which is a darker purple, not too dark, but a purpley colour, or well, it is a purple. Just packing that onto from the inner corner over that empty space that we had, and then keep blending. So it is just that normal process of packing colour on and blending it in and blending those colours together. I do end up covering most of that bright pink in a bit anyway, because I wanted to darken it up. So this colour is that Artistry. So best way to apply it would obviously, I found, was on the finger and pack it in. It's a real sheer purple, but it's got a blue, like it's a sparkle. It's not glittery as such. It's not, it doesn't go everywhere. It's kind of like iridescent-y. It's lovely. And then I decided I'd quite like to deepen up the outer corner, so I went in with the shade Escape. So I'm just packing that onto that outer corner, keeping it quite low and packing it into that Artistry shade. So just deepening that outer, and then once there's not much left on that brush, just running it through over the top into that crease area. You'll also notice that I'm actually bringing the shade up towards the tail of my brow. We don't want to I don't want to bring it downwards, I want to wing it up and out. So obviously with all that applying and blending, I blended some of that Artistry colour away, so it's just a case of reapplying. As always, anything like this, it's just a case of reapplying, blending, and then keep on reapplying until you've got the depth and colour that you need. So I used in my inner corner and on my brow bone highlight the shade called Sister, which is slightly pinky highlight shade. I did pop off and do a little mini wing, nothing too drastic, just a little mini wing, and some matte top eyelash mascara. I just repeated the bottom lash line, just repeated all of those colours from the darkest. So I went in with a little bit of Escape, a little bit of Single, blended it out with Skip, just to make it a lot more smokier and pull the whole look around. So I went ahead and popped some gel eyeliner in the waterline, the bottom waterline, and then continued building up those colours to the depth that I wanted. So I just added some more of the Escape and Single, blended that out with Skip shade, and kept on doing that until I got the colour payoff and blend that I wanted for this look. So once I've done all of that and quite happy with how it was looking, just gave my top eyeliner, so I tight lined my top eyeliner. You can see there I did use a tiny little bit of lash glue, and I popped on a little iridescent pink heart just in that inner corner because I thought, well, that looked cute. And then I don't know whether you can see, but it looks a little bit patchy on that outer corner, so I just packed some more of that Escape shade and buffed that out, or blended that out, should I say, until it wasn't so patchy looking. Popped off, went and grabbed some fluffy lashes. Yes, these lashes are not on properly because I wasn't going to stick them on, because I'm just taking them straight back off again. Alright, here's the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you all later. Bye!